Yeah. On this kind of movement here, you want to using the long and go back to short weapon. And for using this kind of long and short weapon, you need to respond quickly with your elbow coming to breaking down your opponent's defense because you got no time to defend using the hand, so you use a close weapon. So the principle is the same hand like this. And all the time reinforce all this hand coming in this line, okay? If certainly he punch twice on this, I'm still don't need to changing the positioning of my body, okay? I can use that to able to work. But if I want to using to apply the first training you done on the combat ready side onto the shield, you can basically do this line punch again as shield quickly coming in, and then I hammer fist. Then we got to move on now on the using to attack, okay, to bridging. Now we got to get used to bridging, a different kind of way to break down the most strongest part of your opponent. That's the fist. So you break this down first, okay? So the same thing that you break the first and then the second coming in like this, okay, to able to do with that kind of movement. Sometimes when it started coming here, I can come to here where he should come hook me, and I come in straight away. So my arm is ready to attack at you using them all this kind of movement. But on this movement here, we concentrate onto the long and short to make sure you feel comfortable with your weapon you're using. So hand like this, hammer fist, control on the side, in the center, line movement. So all the time, use your hand to your head like this to break. If you like this, when punching hard, that will, see, this is a big problem. You want to be structure tight, okay? Tight, punch, tight. So this doesn't matter how hard you're hitting, you will be locked in line onto your body like this. Then you don't have problem by overdoing it, so they can break them down very quickly. So the line of it is learning here, hand like this, okay? Control, waist, hand like this, hand like this, waist, hand like this, waist, hand like this. Make sure you're in line for each particular movement. So you're working this kind of movement quickly, line, hand, yeah. Move the time like that. Learn the line of the movement quickly in line. So every time when you're working, a lot of time movement is not always line up the way you want to be. Then you have to make sure the basic rule is don't go in like this, okay? Because if you start to go in like this, if you put your hand up, it's too late. Always try to meet him. What I mean by meet him is meet him. Don't go straight in like this, okay? So meet him like this, like this. Now you see my hand from here and pointed to create power. At later on when doing this kind of movement, hook coming in, so here it's easier for you to drive it in later to attacking him, using a quickly brutal attack later on for the movement. So the basic idea is basically learn control hand, okay? Control hand like this, control hand, okay? So learn the line, control hand, and then control hand. Make sure it used to be like this, because we talk about surprise and everything else later on. So all this is like line coming. It's like you don't know what's going on. So you got to be able to prepare, understanding all this surprise, all this violent action, all this kind of movement, quickly respond. So make sure he unaware of what's going on for you to make the attack quickly and faster. Okay, this is important. Okay, thank you for that. That's the basic idea of learning to understand this. So when you get into this, then it becomes a lot more easy for you to respond, to understand different kind of bridging to your opponent to break down all the defense. Spend some time to practice. I will see you on the next lesson.